Today's St. Patrick's Day nail art is magically delicious. Check out this nail art, guys.
So I start off with 2 coats of red, curing each coat for 30 seconds, and you'll also notice that I do wipe the inhibition layer with some nail surface cleanse, and that just keeps things still and not moving around. Also remember that the inhibition layer does contain some leftover uncured colors, and that would be red and would make this flesh tone a little more red. Now when mixing flesh tones, I find that it's easiest to start with a base of red, yellow, and white. Mix those 3 together and then you can add black to darken or white to lighten. Now when doing the outline, I mix a little bit of black into my flesh tone mix to get a brown, and that's a great base for doing an outline on flesh tones. Now one of my favorite things about art form gel is that it's super pigmented. It cures really fast and there is no inhibition layer, but it's also a great gel that allows you to blend with a blending brush. And for you guys that don't know, I use a brush that I have discarded for many years, chopped it up, and use it as a blending brush. So Gelish does make some really good quality brushes that I don't have to worry about cleaning them in acetone or cleaning them in artificial nail remover. That does a great job at removing any highly pigmented gels off my bristles. Now for a design like this, I typically only use 2 brushes, and I use a really good lining brush and a blending brush, and that's pretty much all I need for this design. One of the goals I do set for myself when I'm painting a really detailed design is trying not to pick up the same color twice. Now I do understand that this is possible in many situations, but to have that goal just makes it more efficient and more economical for me. I do understand that for most new nail techs, the hardest part about doing a design like this is where to start. I like to start with laying out my mid-tone colors or my main colors, and then I'll go with my shadows and then with my highlights. White is typically the very last color I use, and it's a very little amount, just enough to get that little bit of a highlight. Now there's many options for me to finish this nail. However, I wanted my background to stay matte and the gold coins to be gold and shiny. So I put the Gelish No Cleanse top coat only on top of the gold coins after I've applied them and layered them to be more 3D. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Until next time guys, peace out.